Hello and welcome to part 3, the last part in making our Pong, simple Pong game, our first SFML project. Okay? So let's make the ball move muna. So again, sa ball class, gawa tayo dito. Actually, same lang naman siya dito. So let's just copy and paste this for some hacks. Okay. So ano bang hindi natin kailangan dito? Siyempre, move with mouse. We don't need that. Get position. Sige. Okay. Yun lang. Yun lang naman for now. Let me check my notes. Ayun. Okay. So, ang i-add lang natin dito is, syempre, kailangan natin kuhanin yung radius. Kailangan natin yung radius later kasi para sa offset ng collisions, which is very important. So, float get radius. Turn radius. Okay. Tapos, actually, kulang pa to. So, get. Actually, wag na lang get radius. Get offset. Since we are starting at 0, 0, para makuha yung buong offset niya, is that we should get the radius times 2. So, ito na yan. Yeah. Return radius times 2 to get the diameter. So, let's move the ball. So, update ball position. Very simple. Just ball dot move. Okay, ito na. So sa ball kasi, dapat meron tayo ditong float direction x. Actually, itatawag natin x is equal to 1. Equal to 1. Tapos float speed is equal to 0.05f. Okay. Basically, kung yung direction x and y natin is 1, 1. Remember, kapag increasing ka dito, increasing ka ng x and increasing ka ng y, dito siya pupunta. So, diagonally siya dito. And then, pag negative yung x mo, and then positive yung y, you are going here. Yeah. So, negative x, positive y, and then pag negative yung x mo and negative yung y mo, you're going here. And again, positive x and negative y, you are going here. Very simple lang. Okay. So, let's do that. So, ngayon, it's moving. Should move sa bottom right corner. Okay. And then, move tayo. So, ball. So, ball dot. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, it's private. So, we should get direction x. So float get direction x. Something that you can do. Oh, wala siya dito. So float get direction y. Tapos, float, get speed. Ayan. So, ito ginawa ko lang para maka-return siya ng values nito. So, return direction x. Return speed. Okay. going back. Okay, going back. So, ball.move. So, saan natin siya i-move? So, yung x niya, ball.get direction x. Tapos, i-multiply natin siya sa speed niya. Ball.get speed. Ayan. And then, ganun din for yung y. Direction y. So, let's check. Check niyo yung speed, ha? Ayan. Wala pa siyang, for now. Wala pa siyang collisions for now. So, let's experiment tayo. So, demonstrate ko lang. So, pag pinalta natin yung speed, so 0.1. It's gonna be like that. Wee! So, mabilis siya. Mas mabilis siya. So, for now, 0.05 muna. This is just something, basic. Pero later kasi, magkakaroon kang direction, times yung speed, times delta time. Pero mamaya na yan. Kasi magkakaroon ng issues dito when it comes to collisions. You'll get to know that later on sa course. Pero for now, this will work. This will do. So, yeah. Yun lang yung ball movement. So now, let's go to ball collision. Check for paddle collisions. This will work for both of the paddles. So if ball dot get bounds, kasi yung intersects function, dito siya nanggagaling sa float rect. Di ba sabi natin yung float rect yung mag-handle ng collisions. So yun. So kailangan natin kuhanin yung bounds ng ball. So get bounds dot intersects. So ano yung kukuhain na natin? Dot intersects player 1 dot get bounds. And same thing. So ball dot get bounds dot intersects player 2 dot get bounce. Kapag nag-hit siya, dapat mag-change yung x direction kasi syempre, 'di ba? Whoop, tapos boop, ganun. So, dapat mag-change yung direction ng x. So, kailangan sa ball meron siyang float change direction ng x. Tapos wala siyang kinukuhang parameter. So, direction x. Actually, wala pala siyang nire-return. So, void. So, void change direction x times is equal to -1. So, it's either +1 or -1 lang siya. Yun lang yung magiging value niya. So, same with the y direction. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So, ball dot change direction x. There we go. This will work then. Kasi you can write this. It's the same as this one lang. So, player 1 dot get bounce dot intersects ball dot get bounce. Pareho lang yan. I mean, that will work too. Kayo na bahala dyan. So, my bad. That pala or siya. So, pag either of those is true, dapat gagana to. Wee. Bruh. So, kailangan we should update yung bounds ng paddle ulit. So, return shape dot get global bounds. So sa ball, dapat ganun din. So return shape dot get global bounce. Ayan. Ayan. So this should now work too. Yan. Kasi, di ba nakita niyo nag-bounce off siya. So now, let's try. Let's do, pag nag-hit siya ng top and bottom walls ng window, dapat mag-change yung Y naman. So, change direction if change Y. So, if ball hits top or bottom wall. Okay. So, if check natin. So again, pag nag-hit yung ball, kasi yung offset ng ball plus yung position, so ito yung magiging bottom ng ball, is greater than or equal to yung pinaka bottom ng screen ng window, dapat magba-bounce off siya pataas. So, change direction Y. So, pag natamaan naman sa taas, that's easy lang. So, or ball dot get position, since 0 naman is less than or equal to 0. Tama ba? Yeah. Dot Y. So let's check. Dapat magba-bounce off siya sa top and bottom. Yun. Oop, naglalag lang. Let me show you lang kung ano mangyari pag walang offset. It's gonna be really weird. So ayan. So ayun oh. It will pass through the screen. So it doesn't really look good. Let's add the offset. Okay. So ngayon, check if ball hits left or right wall. Okay? So if ball dot get position dot x plus ball offset is greater than or equal to window dot get size dot x. So check natin, ito yung collision sa right wall, or window or ball dot get position dot x is less than or equal to 0. So ito naman yung left collision. We will dapat mag-reset to origin. Normally dapat may scoring dito, pero super haba na kasi ng session. So for now, reset muna tayo sa origin. So ball dot set, wala pa pala tayong set position. Gawa lang tayo dito real fast. So void set position to, syempre kailangan natin parameter, vector to f new position shape dot set position to new position. Yan. Yun lang. Ball dot set position to, saan natin siya gustong i-reset? Syempre, di ba sa center? So it's either 200 or window dot get size dot x divided by 2 Same lang siya. 200 by 200 pa rin naman yan. Vector. Yeah. Ayan. Oops. Tanggal. Yeah. Oops. Okay. So, float. Cast lang natin siya as a float. Ayan. Whee! Tapos ngayon, pag natamaan siya, ayan. Ayan na siya. Whee! Oops, naglag lang. So yeah. Basically, yun lang yun. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, either Jacob or me or anyone in LSCS. And hope you've enjoyed this first part. It's very basic part of the tutorials. And if you want the whole code, you can also message me or Jacob. Thank you.